Have you ever tried copying and pasting an image from one Google Sheet to another? What you've probably noticed is that text and colors will come through, but not the image. So if you know where the image is on your computer or in the Google Drive, you can just insert it directly by going to Insert, Image, and then either in cell or over cells and find that image that way. Otherwise, if you want to copy it from this first Google Sheet, what you're going to want to do is go to the tab and copy the whole tab over to that second sheet. And so here you can type in that sheet name, click on it here, and then insert and click done. And if we come over here, you can see here we have that copy of that tab. And now from here, we can copy and paste that image or even multiple images into other tabs on this sheet. Then when you're done, you can simply delete that copy. And now you have that image successfully copied to the second Google Sheet. That's it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.